Not long ago, the idea of seeing someone casually flying home from work sounded like pure science fiction. Today, it's becoming a real part of everyday life. Personal flight is no longer a distant dream or a futuristic concept hidden in laboratories. It's already happening right now. Across the world, revolutionary vehicles are redefining how humans move through the air, the streets, and even their own neighborhoods. In this video, you're about to discover the 8 most impressive transportation vehicles that exist today, machines that push the limits of what we once thought was possible. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. From jet-powered suits that transform ordinary people into real-life superheroes to compact flying machines that fit inside a garage, prepare yourself, because what you're about to see will completely change the way you imagine transportation. 8th, Gravity Industries Jet Suit. Now imagine starting your day by stepping outside, putting on a futuristic suit, and lifting straight into the sky under your own power. No wings, no propellers, just pure jet thrust. What once belonged only to movies and comic books is now a working reality. Thanks to an advanced jet suit developed by a British engineering team, humans can now fly using a wearable system powered by multiple miniature jet engines. The suit is equipped with 5 turbines, 2 on each arm and 1 on the back, delivering a combined thrust of more than 1,000 horsepower. This extraordinary machine can reach speeds of up to 53 miles per hour and climb to heights of nearly 11,800 feet. Even more impressive is how it's controlled. The pilot simply moves their arms to steer, accelerate, and stabilize, creating an incredibly intuitive and responsive flight experience. Although it requires specialized training and carries a price tag of around $440,000. This technology is already being tested for real-world applications such as emergency rescue missions, industrial inspections, and live demonstrations. More than just an innovation, this jet suit marks a historic milestone, the moment personal human flight moved from fantasy into reality. 7th, Flyboard Air. Have you ever dreamed of flying over the ocean without needing an airplane? A French inventor turned that impossible dream into reality with the revolutionary Flyboard Air from Zapata Racing. This innovative device allows a person to fly over water or land using the thrust generated by high-powered turbines. Created by Frankie Zapata, this flying board uses turbojet technology that produces up to 309 pounds of thrust, enabling flights of up to 492 feet in altitude and speeds exceeding 124 miles per hour. Flight endurance reaches up to 10 minutes, more than enough for truly spectacular journeys. What makes the Flyboard Air unique is its gyroscopic stabilization system, which automatically keeps the pilot balanced, dramatically reducing the learning curve compared to other personal flight devices. Control is achieved through subtle body movements and a handheld controller. This machine gained worldwide attention when Zapata successfully crossed the English Channel in 2019, demonstrating its potential to revolutionize not only water sports entertainment, but also short-distance transportation between islands and coastal regions. 6th, Copter Pack. What if you could carry your own personal helicopter like a backpack? The Australian innovators behind the Copter Pack did exactly that, and the result is simply astonishing. This Australian invention is completely redefining how we see personal air transportation, with a design that is as elegant as it is functional. Developed by Copter Pack Pattaya, the device uses 2 coaxial rotors mounted on a lightweight frame worn like a backpack. Weighing just 93 pounds, it can carry up to 265 pounds including the pilot, reach altitudes of up to 3,280 feet, and achieve speeds of 43 miles per hour. The genius of the Copter Pack lies in its operational simplicity. In many countries, it doesn't require a pilot's license because it's classified as an ultralight, and its intuitive control system allows almost anyone to learn how to operate it in just a few hours. Flight endurance is approximately 30 minutes with current batteries. Practical applications are vast, ranging from mountain rescues to infrastructure inspections and emergency medical response in remote areas. Its compact design allows it to be stored in a home garage, making personal flight a real possibility for the average person. Fifth, Jetson. 1. Tesla revolutionized electric cars. But what if I told you there's a Tesla of flying cars? Get ready to meet the incredible Jetson 1, which is democratizing personal flight. This Swedish company developed what they consider to be the Tesla of personal flying vehicles. This single-seat aircraft weighs just 190 pounds and uses 8 strategically distributed electric motors to ensure maximum safety and stability. With a flight time of 20 minutes and top speeds of 63 miles per hour, it represents a major leap toward accessible personal air transport. What truly makes the Jetson 1 revolutionary is its turnkey and fly philosophy. You don't need a pilot's license, as its artificial intelligence automatically handles stabilization, navigation, and multiple safety functions. The pilot simply indicates the desired direction using an intuitive joystick, while the system takes care of everything else. Priced at $92,000, it's significantly more affordable than most alternatives. The company already has more than 5,000 pre-orders, showing that the market is ready to embrace this technology. Its design allows operation from backyards, turning recreational flight into an everyday activity. Fans of Star Wars have always dreamed of Luke Skywalker's flying speeder bikes, but Russian engineers went beyond the dream and created something even better: the impressive HoverSurf Hoverbike S3. Fourth, HoverSurf Hoverbike S3. This flying motorcycle combines the thrill of traditional bikes with the three-dimensional freedom of flight. It uses 4 carbon fiber rotors that generate enough lift to carry up to 265 pounds to heights of 52 feet, while maintaining cruising speeds of 37 miles per hour. Its hybrid design allows for both free flight and low-altitude ground travel. The S3 incorporates advanced safety systems, including an automatic emergency parachute and multiple sensors that prevent collisions. Its carbon fiber structure keeps it ultralight without compromising strength, while the electric propulsion system ensures quiet and environmentally friendly operation. Most impressive of all is its operational versatility. It can function as a police patrol vehicle, a rapid response air ambulance, or simply the ultimate toy for adrenaline enthusiasts. Russia has already begun testing its use in military and public security applications, signaling a future where flying motorcycles could become as common as cars are today. Third, Airspeeder Mark III. Forget land-based Formula One. The future of racing is literally flying above our heads. The Airspeeder Mark III is creating the most thrilling sport you can imagine. This aircraft represents the birth of air racing as the next major global sporting spectacle. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics in Australia, the Mk3 was designed specifically for high-speed aerial racing competitions. Capable of reaching speeds of 186 miles per hour and performing maneuvers impossible for traditional aircraft, it's creating a completely revolutionary sports category. Its eVTOL technology enables vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining the agility of a military fighter jet. The distributed propulsion system with 8 rotors provides full safety redundancy, while artificial intelligence automatically prevents collisions during races. Most impressive of all, the first official airspeeder competitions are already being organized, featuring 3-dimensional aerial circuits that defy gravity. Even some professional Formula One and MotoGP drivers are already training for these new races, which promise to be the most exciting spectacle ever created. Second, Pivotal Helix. Can you imagine having your own personal aircraft that's as easy to use as your car? The Pivotal Helix is turning that fantasy into reality and forever changing recreational aviation. This American ultralight aircraft represents the ultimate evolution of accessible personal flight. Weighing just 254 pounds, the Helix can be legally flown in the United States without a license under ultralight regulations. Its fixed-wing design combined with electric propulsion allows flights of up to 20 minutes, cruising speeds of 62 miles per hour, and an operational range of 20 miles. The Helix's true revolution lies in its fully automated control system. Beginner pilots can learn to operate it in under an hour, as artificial intelligence automatically handles stabilization, navigation, and emergency landings. It's literally as easy as driving a car, just in 3 dimensions. Priced at $190,000, it positions itself as the most accessible flying car in the premium market. Pre-orders have already surpassed 2,000 units, and the company plans to establish a network of flight stations in major cities, creating the first urban air transportation infrastructure for civilian consumers. First, XTI Aircraft Trifan 600. Get ready to meet the machine that will eliminate traffic jams forever and completely revolutionize how we move. The spectacular XTI Aircraft Trifan 600. This American hybrid aircraft represents the perfect convergence of helicopter, airplane, and business jet in a single revolutionary machine. The Trifan 600 uses a unique propulsion system with 3 ducted fans, 2 mounted in the wings that rotate 90 degrees to transition between vertical and horizontal flight, plus 1 in the tail for directional control. This configuration allows vertical takeoff like a helicopter and cruise flight like a commercial jet, reaching speeds of 379 miles per hour and altitudes of 29,900 feet. With seating for 6 passengers and a range of 1,190 miles, it completely eliminates the need for traditional airports. It can land on urban helipads, parking lots, or even large courtyards, reducing travel times in cities from hours to minutes. A trip from New York to Washington, which normally takes 4 to 5 hours, could be completed in just 90 minutes, door to door. FAA certification is expected in 2025, with an estimated price of $6.5 million. The company plans to launch commercial air taxi services, definitively democratizing access to this technology. As you've seen, the future of transportation is no longer a distant promise. It's a reality that is literally taking off before our eyes. From suits that turn us into superheroes to aircraft that will revolutionize commercial travel, we are living in the most exciting moment in the history of human transportation. So now the question is simple. Which of these vehicles would you choose to fly? The future of transportation is already here, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. Leave your comment, subscribe for more mind-blowing technologies of tomorrow, and we'll see you in the next journey.